Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about union type in TypeScript. So what are union type? A union type allows a variable or a parameter to have multiple possible types. It will allow us to declare that a variable or a parameter can have a value of either string or a number. Union types are to be separated using the pipe operator. So for example, we have a variable and it has multiple types. So that types are to be separated using the pipe operator. Let's understand this with example to have a better understanding of union type. Let's say we have a variable called age. It can either be a string or it can also be a number. And when we declare or initialize age down here, age equals 25, it will be valid, and age equals to 30, which is in the string form, it will be also valid. Why is it so? Because here in the first line itself we said that age can be a string or it can also be a number. So that is why these both are valid. Let's understand more of a union type with better examples to make it more clear to you. Let's say we have a variable called my union id and it can be a string, or using the pipe operator we are saying that it can be a string or it can be a number, and we separated the string and number using the pipe operator. So my union id can either be string or can either be a number. And when we declare here that my union id equals to, this will be valid. And if we say my union id equals to in the form of a string, so this will also be valid, because here we said that union id can be a string or it can be a number. Let's understand this with another example. Let's say we have a function called printID, and in that we have a parameter called id which has a type of a number or a string. Okay, and then let's look over this in console. Let's say console.log, and let's use a backtick here, and let's say my id is, and then $sign, and then the parameter id. Okay, and down here let's initialize our print id to be ABC. This will be valid because it is a string. All right, and if we say that print id is 101, this will also be valid because it is a number, and print id in which we have id as a parameter have a type of a number. Okay, and when we look over this in console, so before it, let's go to our dist folder in which we have JavaScript file, and then TSA, and then node index. You will see that my id is ABC. All right, as I said, it will be valid, and then my id is 101, which is also valid. Okay, now we can even use toString method over here to id. So it will be by this dot toString, and when we save this ABC is already in string form. Right now 101 will also be converted to string because toString method have access to both number and string type. Okay, and now when we see this in console, let's type TSA and then node index. See, my id is 101, which we got from here. This 101 was converted to string. Okay, now where can we get the error is when we say that id to be uppercase. This will give us the red line. Why is it so? Because toUpperCase method is accessible to string, but it is not accessible to number, because definitely we cannot convert number to uppercase. So this is where we can get the error. And now I hope this video cleared what are union type in TypeScript, and if you have any doubts or queries regarding this, you can ask me in the comment section below and I'll try my best to resolve it, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.